Good afternoon, friends. In this session, we will talk about that vitamins. Already, along with balanced diet, we have to provide some vitamins to our body. So commonly, we should not see the vitamin deficiency. Why? Because these are required very little amount, and also we provide these vitamins to our body by two ways. One is the diet, and next one is the bacteria which are present in our intestine, that is the symbiotic bacteria. Let us speak. These vitamins are two types. One is water soluble vitamins, second one is fat soluble vitamins. Now we will talk about that water soluble vitamins. So vitamins are two types: water soluble, those are the B complex and B complex vitamins and C vitamins. Next, fat solubles, those are the A, D, E, K. Now we will discuss about that B complex vitamins. B complex, these are several types named as B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid, pantothenic acid, and biotin. These are the different type of B complex vitamins. First one is the B1 vitamin. Scientific name of B1 vitamin is thiamine. Scientific name of B1 vitamin is thiamine vitamin. Symptoms are, so scientific name of B1 thiamine. Symptoms, deficiency symptoms are vomitings, fits, paralysis, next one paralysis, difficult in breathing, So B1 vitamin, the scientific name of B1 vitamin is thiamine. Vomitings, fits, paralysis, difficult in breathing, loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Next one is the B2 vitamin. B2 vitamin is riboflavin. The disease name is beriberi here. B1 vitamin deficiency symptoms are these. Deficiency disease is beriberi, that is the scientific name. Next one is the B2 vitamin. Scientific name of B2 vitamin is riboflavin. Next one is the disease name is glossitis. The symptoms are mouth crackers at corners. Next one is the red and sore skin, red and sore tongue. Next one is photophobia. These are the common diseases due to the deficiency of B2 vitamin. Next one, the B3 vitamin is niacin. The scientific name of B3 niacin. The deficiency disease is pellagra. The name of deficiency disease is pellagra. The symptoms are dermatitis, diarrhea, dermatitis, diarrhea, loss of memory, next scaly skin. These are the symptoms of B3 vitamin, that is the scientific name is niacin, pellagra, diarrhea. Next one is the B6 vitamin is pyridoxine. This B6 vitamin is a pyridoxine. Disease name is anemia. Disease name is anemia. Symptoms are hyperirritability, less appetite. Next one is the B12 cyanocobalamin, that is a pernicious anemia. B12 is pernicious anemia, lean and weak. Next one is the cyanocobalamin, pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin. Next one is the phantothenic acid, cyanocobalamin, phantothenic acid, burning feet, and walking problems and sprains. Next one is the folic acid. Already very well you know about this folic acid. This also leads to anemia, less leukocytes, and intestinal mucosal problems, and also vomitings. These are the folic acid. Next one is the biotin. This is the nerve disorders. These are the mental irritability, mental problems, mental irritability. These are the some common B-complex vitamins. These B-complex vitamins comes under the water soluble vitamins. B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, pantothenic acid, folic acid, and biotin. B1 is the scientific name of the B1 is thiamine. The disease, deficiency disease is beriberi. Vomitings, fits, paralysis, difficult in breathing, loss of appetite, శ్వాస తీసుకోవడం కష్టంగా ఉండడము. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద ఆకలి తగ్గిపోవడం. దీస్ ఆర్ ద beriberi. Next one is the B2 vitamin, riboflavin, glossitis. These are the mouth crackers, నాలుక ఎర్రబడము అండ్ చివర ఇది చీలడం, మౌత్ క్రాకర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోటోఫోబియా, లైట్ని చూస్తే భయపడడం, ఫోటోఫోబియా. B3 vitamin is a niacin, name is pellagra. Diarrhea, dermatitis, loss of memory comes under the next pyridoxine. This also anemia, name of disease name is anemia. Next hyperirritability. Next one is the B12 vitamin, cyanocobalamin, pernicious anemia, less and weak and less appetite. lean and weak and less appetite. Next, pantothenic acid is the burning feeds అరికాల మంటలు రావడము, నడిచేటప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కావడం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద స్ప్రైన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ పాంటోథెనిక్ యాసిడ్, this vitamin is synthesized by our intestinal bacteria. Next, folic acid, pernicious anemia. Already we know that ASHA workers are supplying to the children and pregnant women. Those are the folic acid tablets. That deficiency disease anemia. Anemia means nothing but lack of less amount of blood cells or the increasing amount of blood cells, that comes under the anemia, pernicious anemia and anemia. Okay, next, less amount of leukocytes and intestinal mucosal problems. Next one is the biotin, nerve disorders, నాడి సంబంధమైన వ్యాధులు, mental irritability, mental fatigue, mental depression and muscles pain.